Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 98 Camaro here, but this one's special. 6,145 actual miles. This car is like a brand new 1998 Camaro. And if you haven't noticed, it's bright red, chrome wheels with bright white leather and a top that goes down. So if you want a fun toy, treat yourself to, like brand new, you got it right here. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and you get the price, not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. For right now, tops down, let's go for a spin in a time capsule Camaro. Yeah, just a good looking car, chrome wheels, rear spoiler. If you just wanted to treat yourself to a nice Sunday cruiser, it's full of power accessories, air conditioning, it's just an excellent, fun toy. And it's collectible too. Where are you going to find a car this old with that low of miles, especially in a red Camaro convertible? Anyway, underneath the car is original, and it's still practically like new. The floor pans are mint. It still has the red overspray from the factory when they painted the car. It's never been spray canned under there. It's original. So some of the raw metal components, some of the brackets or parts that are raw metal have that surface haze on it, but don't let that fool you. The car is immaculate underneath. Has disc brakes at all four wheels, original exhaust systems in real nice shape. It's an overdrive automatic transmission under there. The color of the car is actually bright red, and that's exactly what it is. It's a bright, beautiful red finish. As far as I can tell, and what's claimed to be, it's all original paint. I went around the car and wiped it down. I didn't find even a tiny flaw, but right before we started filming, I did notice, and it's way down low below the bumper, they must have just touched a curb because the paint is cracked right down here. They must have just bumped something. The rubber is excellent, but the paint split when it flexed. Other than that, there's no rock chips that I could find, no scratches from being in the garage, no bicycles dropped on it. It is pristine red paint. All the lenses are still crystal clear. They're aluminum wheels. They're chrome plated. There's a factory option. In excellent shape. They're still on the original Goodyear tires. All the plastic, the glass, the rubber moldings, all of it's excellent. Still soft. Sometimes it gets hard and cracks, but this one's all soft. It has the body side molding. That was an option. It has a hard boot over the top. It's a white convertible top. It's power, excellent shape. Has a glass window. Has the rear spoiler built right in. Factory antenna. Again, the lenses are excellent. The car lived in Georgia. I did get a Carfax. It shows 3 owners, but it was always registered in the same town, Rome, Georgia. I don't know if it was family members that owned it, but it literally stayed in the same town. So it could be that it got transferred maybe to the, one of the children or something. I'm not sure. But it does have a power trunk release, power windows, power mirrors. We got Never Been Smoked In as the optional stereo with the CD player. All sorts of goodies. We got fog lamps up front, leather steering wheel, cruise control. Now I hit the power trunk. It worked outside. I think it worked. I just didn't hear it. That's what I was doing when I was in the car. It's got the 3.8 liter sequential fuel injected motor. Runs plenty good. Everything in here is completely stock. They changed the battery. Other than that, it's original and it's in really clean condition. It's got the Chevrolet bow tie embossed into the hood insulation, and it's pretty much spotless in here too. The interior is immaculate. Even bright white leather seats in a convertible, and they're in excellent shape. None of the plastic is cracked. It's not even dirty down in the nooks and crannies. It still has the owner's pouch. Has the owner's pouch in the glove box here with the books. Still has the locking lug nut for the wheels. It's a power driver's seat. Yeah, power trunk did release. I just didn't hear it. Behind this panel is the spare and jacks, never been used. It's all carpeted, still looks like new. This is the original bag that the hard boot over the convertible top stores in this bag right here. So that's in mint condition. We fire it up. The radio plays nicely. I mean, the car is just in excellent shape. You're not going to find a 98 Camaro convertible with this low of miles. I mean, how did this car not get driven? There wasn't somebody that wanted to go for a drive and use it. Door jambs are mint. Just a nice looking, easy, comfortable car to cruise with. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. They will answer any specific questions or concerns you might have. I just gave you my honest impression of what I think of it. They can also help you with financing, shipping, and all the paperwork they can make real easy for you. Go to volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. Here's a rare opportunity to own a 6,000-mile 1998 Camaro convertible. Don't miss out. Go to volocars.com. Thanks for watching.